Welcome. If you ever need to see your password on the Pinterest app while using your PC, the latest update has made it really simple. Just follow these straightforward steps and you'll have your password visible in no time. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're logged in and have the app open, look to the bottom left corner of the screen, where you'll find a gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, find and click on the option labeled Settings. This will lead you to a page where various account options are available. Now, look for Account Management and enter this section to manage your personal details. Within Account Management, locate the password bar. Next to it, you will see a small eye icon. Clicking on this eye will reveal your current password, allowing you to view it clearly. Remember, for security reasons, you might be asked to confirm your identity before the password becomes visible. This could be in the form of entering your current password or perhaps verifying through your registered email. This safeguard ensures that only you can access this sensitive information. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can quickly and safely see your Pinterest password directly from the app on your PC, without any complicated tricks or third-party programs. If you find these instructions helpful, feel free to keep them handy for whenever you need a quick password check. Thanks for listening.